Juan Ayala. Are you all excited?
Hi mga ka-HC, ako nga pala si Andy at nandito tayo ngayon sa Juan Ayala to witness the unveiling of the newest addition to the MacBook series, which is the MacBook Neo.
This is the moment we all have been waiting for. All together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're very fortunate to work with our partners from Digimap to make it possible for you guys. Applying a loan in home credit is not as hard as playing as the falling stick.
If you want to get the MacBook Neo today, you can get it via home credit for as low as 44 pesos here in Digimap.